Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. You know that old Robert Frost poem that talks about two roads? Well, you can choose which road you'll go down, a choice which future you want for yourself and everyone around you. You get to choose what you spend your time on and how you spend your time. Either continue down the plain old road or you're on spending your time dilly-dallying and doing whatever you want, or you can be heroic and go down an epic road. You can meet heroes and actually have a life story that's interesting. You just have to decide that. I need more coffee. I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm telling you, there's no honor in poverty. There are no good feelings when a loved one needs expensive medical care and you can't afford to pay for it. There's no happiness when you're walking with your child and get attacked and you're unable to defend yourself. Just think about Batman. Do you want your kid to grow up like Batman? No. We want the best for our kids. And I don't even have kids, I know that. But it's still true. There's no relaxing when you get fired from a job and bills are due as your country begins a recession. The average man's life is miserable. So what's the solution? Don't be average. Be extraordinary. Be your own version of the Mighty Miracle Man. Make the choice today. It's a special day today. The first day of the rest of your life. And keep making that choice to put your nose to the grindstone and get stuff done. I believe in you. You can do all things through Christ who gives you strength, and live longer, feel better, and add life to your